If your water smells musty or has an earthy odor when using your water, it could be from an organic matter, and sometimes iron bacteria in your water supply, it could also be the cause as well. This kind of bacteria isn't harmful, but it is a nuisance. Hey guys, this is Sade from Aquafeel Maryland, and this is our 7th podcast episode. Today we're going to be discussing some common causes of why there might be some odd odors in your well water and what might be causing that. If you guys like our content, make sure you subscribe to our channel and follow us on all of our social pages. And make sure you comment down below if you can relate to the topic, or if you've been experiencing any of these odors in your water. We can get a conversation going. So let's get right into it. Do you have a weird or odd odor in smell in your water? It might smell kind of like rotten eggs or a bleachy smell. If so, that could be something that's very concerning. And it might be hard to determine where the scent is coming from or why it's happening. So Aquafeel Maryland has created a guide to help you guys figure out what might be causing these scents in your water and common ways that it can be treated and fixed. So if there is a rotten egg smell in your water, the most common cause is because of sulfur or bacteria in your water supply. The bad smell usually comes from a lack of oxygen in a well that produces hydrogen sulfide gas. If you only experience the rotten egg smell when you're running hot water from the faucet or when you're in the shower, it could be a chemical reaction that's happening inside your water heater and not necessarily your water supply. So things that you can do to treat that is, because sulfur is a gas caused by absence of oxygen in the well, the best way to eliminate the smell is to install an aeration system. We also offer chlorine injection systems that are appropriate for some smells at Aquafeel Maryland. Our certified water analysts will review your water chemistry and determine the best choice for you. So you can go ahead and click the link in the description to schedule a free water test. If your water smells musty or has an earthy odor when using your water, it could be from an organic matter, and sometimes iron bacteria in your water supply, it could also be the cause as well. This kind of bacteria isn't harmful, but it is a nuisance. It usually tastes really bad. So iron bacteria forms when iron and oxygen mix. The bacteria feed on the iron, create a slime. So when the bacteria dies, it gives off an earthy odor that makes the water smell really bad. A way that you can treat the iron bacteria in your water is by having a chlorine chemical feed system. Following up with an automatic iron filter will provide additional oxidation and preparation of iron, providing easy filtration and removal of your iron particles. So iron bacteria can especially be tricky to treat. So a certified water analyst is recommended to determine what is best for your individual well water. If your water smells fishy, the most common cause for this is organic material that has made its way into your water system. This includes elevated levels of chloramines, baramine, or cadmium. Ways that you can treat the water for this is by having a reverse osmosis water filter. By using these drinking water filters, the common contaminants like barium and cadmium will be effectively filtered, along with other organic chemicals that may be contributing to the fishy smell in your drinking water. And lastly, one of the most common water odors is like the bleachy smell in your water. This can be caused by chlorine that's manually added to the public water for disinfecting purposes. Chlorine is necessary for water treatment. However, once the chlorine reaches your personal water system, it does nothing more than dry out your skin and your hair and give your water supply a bad odor. So a way that you can avoid having all of that and treating the water is by just having a water filter. You can easily eliminate the smell of bleach and chlorine from your water with a reverse osmosis drinking water system. So If you have any questions or concerns about your drinking water and you would like to schedule a free water test, make sure you click the link in our bio, and you can go ahead and schedule the test there. And I will see you guys on the next podcast episode. Thanks.